Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay. Thank you so much for sticking around and continue to watch my videos. I am back with another one. This time around we are going to do a thrift flip. I picked up a piece from the thrift store and I'm going to transform it into a piece that will work or will go well with my home decor. So if you guys want to know how I transform this furniture to this piece, just stick around and continue to watch the video, and let's go get started. This is how the furniture looks before I did anything to it. I used 100 grit sandpaper to sand down the chair. I didn't pay much attention to the other part of the chair. I want to focus on the sitting portion of it. I want it to be sanded down to its original finish because I want to use a darker or a different stain color. So we sand it using just the sandpaper, and then we applied the stain. I used the Varathane wood stain in Jacobean. What we did, we just manually sand it, and then when we apply the stain, it came out a little bit blotchy because we didn't sand it evenly. There are some portion on the seating part of the chair that are not sanded down, so it came out really blotchy, and I did not like that. So what we did, we decided to use an electric sander and sand the chair down again and apply the stain all over again, a couple coats of it. This footage here, this is the blotchy result. I'm gonna show you the finished one later because my husband just did it himself and I didn't get any footage of it. So then that the staining is done, I'm going to start painting the rest of the chair. I'm going to use an interior, like a matte interior paint that we have left when we were doing our kitchen. You could use chalk paint, you could use whatever type of paint that you want to use. I just went with a matte white paint because that's basically what my house is, grays and whites and neutral color. And I'm going to apply a couple coats of this on the chair, and I'm going to show you how it looks like right after. Alright, so painting is done. This is how a couple of coats look like. So I'm going to remove those coverings and show you how the stain turned up. I really like how the stain is looking, and it's even showing the character of the wood underneath. It's a little bit damaged, which I like. So I want to protect the top of the sitting portion of the chair. So I used the what is it again, polyurethane to seal the top portion of the chair, and I like that it gives a little bit of sheen to it as well. It's not super glossy because this is in satin finish. And after that, I kind of finished off the whole chair by distressing it. So I used the same grit of sandpaper, and I just distressed some of the corners of the chair. My husband is getting so good at distressing furniture, so I'll let him take over, and he finished off distressing the chair, and I really like how it turned out. So this thrifted furniture has now a place in our home. It is such a great accent piece in our house right now, and I really like how it turned out, and it's now sitting in the entryway of our home. And I kind of just accessorize it with blankets and pillow, and you can see Haven lounging in this all day sometimes if we're just home. And yeah, I really love this piece, and I'm happy that I picked it up and transformed it into something that we could use in our house, and gave our house a little bit more character. Alright, thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!